I bet you saw some kind of a ruler many times, but have you ever wondered why there is a gap between the end of the ruler and the zero? And the reason is actually quite simple and very practical. Both rulers are living a rough life. They get a lot of dents, bends, and scratches. And if it would start from exactly zero, every scratch or damage to the end of the ruler would just basically destroy its accuracy. It wouldn't measure accurately. So those extra few millimeters make sure that it won't lose accuracy over time when it gets any damages. And another thing is the cost. And I see how you are thinking how those extra few millimeters can decrease the cost of the ruler. But it actually does. In manufacturing process, when rulers are made, those measurements are printed on a huge piece of material, whether it's wood, plastic, or whatever. And then they are cut in the shape of the ruler, basically. And when we have this extra gap, we don't need very accurate cutting. We just cut between those measurements and we are good. But if we would need to cut at the exact zero, any microscopic inaccuracy would make the ruler inaccurate, basically. And it would be practically useless. Accuracy, it costs. But there are actually rulers which start from zero. And they are used in specific reasons. Usually they are used to measure corners or kind of holes, which can be done with those rulers. But those rulers are usually made from hardened steel, and they don't wear out that quickly like plastic or wood. And since we are speaking about the rulers, it's worth to mention the measuring tape. And this measuring tape actually has a few genius engineering tricks which not many people knows about that. So first of all, you see that metal hook at the end, and it is moving a little bit. And it's not a manufacturing flaw, it is actually a feature of this measuring tape. So let's say, for example, you want to measure something like a corner of the distance from the wall, and you press it to the wall, and this thing moves into that direction, and you can just measure the thing from the wall. Another use case, you want to measure something and hook this to something and measure like that. And when you do that, this moves slightly into that direction. And in both cases, it is measuring accurately. So that's kind of simple but genius at the same time, right? But there's one more trick which I don't think that many people knows. And you can see there is a tiny hole in that measuring tape. It doesn't look like a feature or anything, but it is actually very useful. Let's say you are a handyman and you are working alone and you need to measure long distances. And if you hook that to something, it might, fall, and especially with long distances, it's very difficult. But there is this hole which you can nail to the wood or something. You can just attach it from where you want to measure, maybe this side is better, and add a nail to that hole, and it stays at that place as long as you need. So that's a very practical thing which might be useful for you. And speaking about things that you probably see every day but never thought about that, have you ever saw this plastic cylinder thing at the end of the charging cables? They are here for a reason, and I have a video about that, so see you there.